The Weatherguard Defender Series black aluminum truck box offers 10.7 cubic feet of storage, 71 inches long, 19 inches wide, and 17 inches deep. Aluminum diamond plate and 4-piece welded construction maximizes strength where it's needed most. Black powder coating inside and out provides stellar looks, an easy to clean surface, and protection against oxidation. The C-channel reinforced welded aluminum lid keeps the cover closing evenly so both latches engage, eliminating the need to walk to the other side of the truck. Dual gas struts support the lid inside the box, and plastic sleeves provide protection to the chrome shaft. A D-shaped rubber weather seal perimeters the lid 360 degrees, providing protection from the elements for all your valuables. 2 strikers and dual-stage rotary latches keep the lid secured at all times. One-touch push-button locks allow you to open the Weatherguard box from either side of the truck, and the push-button locks are also tamper-proof and have a drill-resistant keyhole. In addition to the main storage, you also get built-in compartments on either side of the box and a sliding parts tray. The Weatherguard Defender Series truck box was very easy to install with the included drill-free mounting brackets. They easily hooked under the underside of the bed rails, and we ran the bolts tight with our impact driver. Our Weatherguard truck box runs about $530 from the Home Depot, and it's backed by a 7-year warranty. Home Depot carries a full line of truck boxes, so make sure you check them out at homedepot.com. Also, make sure you keep up with us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. If you like this video, click the thumbs up button, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Have a great day.